Schlosshotel Münchhausen. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Schlosshotel Münchhausen. This 5-star superior hotel occupies a restored 16th century palace in the Weserbergland Schaumburg-Hameln Nature Park. It is surrounded by its own park, which includes a lake and an 18-hole golf course. Free Wi-Fi is provided in nearly all areas. In the individually decorated rooms, amenities include antique furniture, satellite TV and a private bathroom with hairdryer and shower products. Excellent breakfast. I wished I was more hungry, so I could try it all. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. 5-star. Top. Fabulous hotel in a charming area. Professional and delightful staff. Excellent restaurants. A must-be hotel. It was a real discovery. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.